What's up, guys? Remington Kai is here with a review for you. Today I'll be reviewing the Season 4 episode of Steven Universe, Lion 4, Alternate Ending. Now let's get into what the meaning of the episode is. Well, the meaning, alternate endings are usually filmed before being scrapped and maybe included on a special feature on a film's release. These alternate endings are a special type of deleted scene. In other cases, ideas that were presented but discarded early on are alluded to by the production team in commentary or interviews. So, I mean, that kind of shows some hints on what the episode's going to be about. The plot. Steven tries to search for secret messages Rose may have left him about his magical destiny. Lion eventually leads him to a tape, but it's just an alternate version of the message from Rose he's already seen. So it's just all about him, coming to terms with his birth. I can dig it. It's a good side quest story that we get in the show. It's a little filler. It doesn't really give us much to the Steven Universe mythos. Doesn't give us a lot of reveals. What did reveal was the name for if Steven was born a daughter, they were going to name him Nora. And so she makes an alternate tape. She has one for Nora and one for Steven. And it leads to a few questions that we have about the series. Number one, that thing that kind of brings up is, does Steven have a sister that we don't know about? I know a lot of people have been talking about that recently. It's just something cool to kind of bring up. Another thing it kind of brings up that needs to be explained in this episode is, how did the tape end up in the desert? Did Lion put it there? Did she put it there before when she found out she was having a boy? Maybe she knew early. Maybe Garnet's future vision was acting up. But that doesn't make sense either, because even Greg says that the gender couldn't be revealed by Garnet's future vision. Another thing that brings up is, why was there a boy version inside the Lion? Why specifically? If they didn't know the gender, why would it be there? The episode never explains that to the audience, which I think is a big hole, or maybe they're just keeping it for later. But I don't know. I thought it was a good side story. I thought it explained. I thought it gave an explanation to something people weren't really looking for, which is it's always good to have little things, Yeah, it was definitely a fun episode to watch. I always love Steven Universe. I don't review him that often because there's not a lot of episodes that strike out to me, but this one was really cool. It was a good mystery. I didn't know what was going to appear. I was hoping something big was going to happen, but you don't always get that with Steven Universe. Sometimes you get these down-to-earth, cool little side quests, and this is what this was. It was fun to follow Steven throughout the mystery of this episode and what was going on. It was fun to kind of follow Lion and watch Steven kind of unravel what he thinks his destiny is. And I think this was the whole season is about. This whole season 4, is him trying to find out his destiny and his purpose and how he's gonna help the Crystal Gems, how he fits into the team. And I really like that. It's him kind of finding himself. The one thing I don't like is he cries a lot. He's been crying a lot recently, getting a little bit more emotional. I mean, I personally don't like it. I don't personally like it in his character that he's kind of like a whiny. He's starting to get to that whiny crybaby place, kind of where Gohan was in the beginning of the Saiyan arc in Dragon Ball Z. And I don't like Steven being that point. I want him to be more of a macho hero, hey, I'm gonna step up to the plate. I'm gonna man up, that kind of thing. But you never know I don't know where this series goes. Maybe he'll be there at another point. But all I know is that I really like this episode and recommend it. Now, I don't know if this is an April Fool's thing, and then when this actually airs on television, that we'll get a different ending to this episode. All I know is this is the episode that leaked on television that I got to... It did leak out. This is the episode that leaked out that I got to watch, and I really enjoyed it for what I got, I enjoyed it. Hate that I have to watch it on that kind of circumstance, but I still enjoyed the episode nonetheless. But what did you guys think? Comment below. Let me know what you thought of the newest episode of Steven Universe. And if you like more videos like this, let me know in the comments and I'll do more Steven Universe reviews. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.